Hello everyone, this is Febrina again. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for new subscribers and also for my recurring subscribers. Thank you for your support, and please don't forget to check the notification bell, okay, for new videos, okay? Guys, I'm going to talk about why copywriting is important for your business, okay? So most organizations undermine or underestimate the value of copywriting and what it can do for their businesses. So in this video, I will just show you a brief summary of what copywriting can do for your business. Okay, so if are you one of those businesses that undermine the value of copywriting? Are you one of those who whip out some generic content on your site, hoping that your audience can relate to it, and when it fails to resonate with your audience, you wonder why it never happened, why the conversion rate of your website is very low or it's not converting at all? Okay, so don't be like one of those, entrepreneurs. So you have to be wise. You have to get the expertise of a copywriter because they know how to write words that sell, the persuasive element, the psychology behind those words, because quality copywriter is a powerful selling force. Okay, why is that? It's because good copy can turn strangers and curious readers into paying clients. Okay, that's the power of copywriting. So as opposed to content writing is more about entertaining, informing, and not really giving you uh, an action that you need. Usually in content writing, there's no it doesn't compel you to take action on your part, but copywriting, there's also always a call to action, usually at the end, or CTA. Okay, so example, if you're trying to um, convince people to buy your products, so you really need a good copywriter to write your sales copy. Okay, so it's about selling. Copywriting is more about selling than writing. Okay, so when you're in the copywriting business, you're not in the writing business. You're in the business of generating sales or revenue for your clients. Okay. Okay, about those example readers, they turn into paying clients, and then you can even nurture those clients or paying customers to become your loyal evangelist for your brand. Are referring your brand to your customers, really. So they will be raving fans, okay, without effort on your part, because they can be like your testimonials. Okay, and so your web content shows your customers how to solve their problems. Okay, so I've talked about that in another video about web content involving about us. I think it's somewhere there. I will give you the link to that. Okay, it's an about us page. Okay, and your FAQ, or frequently asked questions page, this gives answers to their questions. So example, your copy can do the heavy lifting. For example, okay, what is this brand about, especially if you're a new one in the market, or example, if they already bought your products. So your FAQ is very useful. Okay, so it gives answers to their questions or concerns. Okay. And your blog provides relevant and interesting info. So make sure that your blog is not just original and interesting, but they also have to be relevant. Okay, so not just you give value, but you make it more entertaining. It's all about them. It's all about your customers and your market, if it solves pain points, struggles, and challenges. See, that's about it, guys. I hope you learned something new for today about the importance of copywriting. So if you need a copywriter to help you craft better copy, converting copy, I am here. You can DM me or chat me. I have my information there on the comment section. Okay, so Anyway, guys, thank you. Till next video. Okay, have a nice day, everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, thank you so much.